As we embrace the warmth and sunshine of summer, protecting our skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet rays becomes paramount. While conventional sunscreens offer effective protection, concerns about chemical ingredients have led many to seek natural alternatives. Let us look at 7 effective tips to protect your skin from ultraviolet damage using natural methods. At number 1. Stay in shade. One of the simplest ways to protect your skin is by staying in the shade, especially during peak sunlight hours. Trees and umbrellas provide excellent protection from direct sun exposure. At number 2. Wear protective clothing. Clothing can be your first line of defense against ultraviolet rays. Opt for long-sleeved shirts, long pants, and wide-brimmed hats. Fabrics like tightly woven cotton and linen offer better protection. At number 3. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Your diet can influence your skin's ability to handle sun exposure. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants helps combat the oxidative stress caused by ultraviolet rays. Include berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and nuts in your diet to bolster your skin's natural defenses. At number 4. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and can help protect the skin. It contains compounds that can shield the skin from ultraviolet damage and also help in healing sunburns. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to exposed skin for a cooling, protective layer. At number 5. Use natural mineral sunscreens. If you prefer to avoid chemical sunscreens, consider natural mineral sunscreens containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These ingredients sit on top of the skin and physically block ultraviolet rays. At number 6. Keep yourself hydrated. Keeping your skin hydrated is crucial in maintaining its health and resilience. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and use natural moisturizers like coconut oil or shea butter to keep your skin supple and less prone to damage. And finally, at number 7. Use natural oils. Certain natural oils offer mild sun protection. Red raspberry seed oil, carrot seed oil, and wheat germ oil have been noted for their SPF properties. While not a replacement for conventional sunscreen, they can be used as an additional layer of protection. By embracing these natural sun protection methods, you can enjoy the warmth of the sun safely and responsibly. Remember, taking care of your skin naturally not only preserves its beauty but also promotes overall well-being. Step into the sunlight with confidence, knowing that you are protecting your skin in a healthy way. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.